My favorite American fruit snacks. Hello, wonderful English learners. It's Sophia from the English with Sophia YouTube channel. Dear friends, your support means the world to us. Share, engage, and subscribe to the channel. Your encouragement fills us with joy. Today, we're going to explore some delicious and healthy American fruit snacks. Fruit snacks are a great way to enjoy a tasty treat, while also getting important vitamins and nutrients. Let's discover these yummy snacks together. Important vocabulary for A1 learners. Here are some key words from this lesson that are great for A1 English learners. 1. Fruit, noun. Food that grows on trees or plants, like apples or bananas. 2. Snack, noun. A small amount of food, eaten between meals. 3. Healthy, adjective. Good for your body. 4. Slice, noun, verb. A thin piece of food. To cut into thin pieces. 5. Fresh, adjective. Recently picked or made, not old. 6. Dried, adjective. Having had all the water removed. 7. Frozen, adjective. Made very cold and hard. 8. Sweet, adjective. Having a taste like sugar. 9. Juicy, adjective. Full of juice. 10. Crunchy, adjective. Making a noise when you bite it. 11. Smooth, adjective. Having no rough parts. 12. Tasty, adjective. Having a good flavor. 13. Ripe, adjective. Ready to eat. 14. Peel, verb. To remove the outer covering of a fruit. 15. Bite, noun, verb. A small piece taken when eating. To use your teeth to cut food. Remember to practice these words when talking about fruits and snacks. Good luck with your English learning journey. Why fruit snacks are popular in America. Before we look at specific fruit snacks, let's understand why they're so popular in America. 1. They're healthy alternatives to candy and chips. 2. They're easy to pack for lunch or a quick snack. 3. They come in many flavors and varieties. 4. They're often enjoyed by both children and adults. 5. They're a good source of vitamins and fiber. Now let's explore some of my favorite American fruit snacks. Dardacker 1. Fresh fruit slices. One of the simplest and most popular fruit snacks is fresh fruit slices. Here's what you need to know. You can use many different types of fruit. Common fruits for slicing include apples, pears, and melons. They're often served with a dip like yogurt or peanut butter. They're very healthy and have no added sugar. How to prepare. 1. Wash the fruit thoroughly. 2. Cut the fruit into bite-sized pieces. 3. Arrange on a plate or in a small container. 4. Enjoy immediately or store in the refrigerator. Darker Start 2. Fruit salad. Fruit salad is a mix of different fruits cut into small pieces. Here's why it's great. It combines many fruit flavors in one dish. You can use whatever fruits are in season. It's colorful and fun to eat. It's easy to make and can be prepared in advance. Common fruits in an American fruit salad. Strawberries. Grapes. Melon, like cantaloupe or honeydew. Pineapple. Blueberries. Dari. 3. Dried fruit. Dried fruit is fresh fruit that has had all the water removed. It's a popular snack because it doesn't need refrigeration. It's easy to carry in a bag or pocket. It has a long shelf life. It's sweet and chewy. Popular types of dried fruit in America. Raisins, dried grapes. Dried cranberries. Dried apricots. Banana chips. Apple rings. Dardacker 4. Fruit leather. Fruit leather is a sweet, chewy snack made from pureed fruit. Here's what makes it special. It's often made with 100% fruit. It comes in long strips that you can peel and eat. It's fun for kids and adults alike. It's a good source of fiber. Popular fruit leather flavors: strawberry and apple, cherry, grape, tropical, mixed fruit. 5. Frozen grapes. Frozen grapes are a simple but delicious treat. Here's why they're great. They're just regular grapes that have been frozen. They have a unique texture like little fruit popsicles. They're very refreshing on a hot day. They're easy to prepare at home. How to make frozen grapes. 1. Wash and dry a bunch of grapes. 2. Remove the grapes from the stem. 3. Put them in a freezer-safe container. 4. Freeze for at least 2 hours before eating. 6. Fruit smoothies. While not exactly a snack, fruit smoothies are a popular way to enjoy fruit in America. Here's why. They're a great way to combine multiple fruits. You can add yogurt or milk for extra nutrition. They're refreshing and filling. You can make them at home or buy them at many cafes. Common fruits used in smoothies: bananas, strawberries, blueberries, and mangoes, peaches, barizer. 7. Apple slices with peanut butter. This is a classic American snack that combines fruit with protein. Here's what to know. It's simple. Just sliced apples served with peanut butter for dipping. The sweetness of the apple pairs well with the savory peanut butter. It's filling and provides a good balance of carbohydrates and protein. It's often served to children as an after-school snack. 8. Fruit cups. Fruit cups are small containers of cut fruit, often in juice or light syrup. They're popular because they're very convenient and portable. They come in many fruit combinations. They're a common item in packed lunches. They have a long shelf life if not opened. Common fruits found in fruit cups: peaches, pears, mixed fruit, usually with cherries and grapes, mandarin oranges, pineapple chunks. 9. Frozen fruit bars. Frozen fruit bars, sometimes called popsicles, are frozen treats made from fruit juice or puree. Here's why they're loved. They're a healthier alternative to ice cream. They come in many fruit flavors. They're very refreshing on hot days. Some are made with 100% fruit juice. Popular flavors: strawberry, mango, lime, mixed berry, watermelon. Darurgakers 10. Fruit and yogurt. Parfait. A fruit and yogurt parfait is a layered snack made with yogurt, fruit, and often granola. It's popular because it combines the protein of yogurt with the vitamins of fruit. It's visually appealing with its layers. It can be a snack or a light breakfast. You can easily make it at home or find it in cafes. Common ingredients: yogurt, often vanilla-flavored, strawberries or blueberries, granola or cereal for crunch. Health benefits of fruit snacks. Eating fruit snacks has many health benefits. 1. They provide essential vitamins and minerals. 2. Many are high in fiber, which is good for digestion. 3. They can help you stay hydrated, as many fruits have high water content. 4. They're often low in calories but still filling. 5. The natural sugars in fruit can give you a quick energy boost. Dabarser, tips for enjoying fruit snacks. Here are some tips to make the most of your fruit snacks. 1. Try to eat a variety of colors. Different colored fruits provide different nutrients. 2. When buying packaged fruit snacks, look for ones with no added sugar. 3. Combine fruits with proteins, like nuts or yogurt, for a more filling snack. 4. Keep fresh fruit washed and ready to eat in your fridge for easy snacking. 5. Experiment with different combinations to find your favorites. Fruit snacks in American culture. Fruit snacks play an interesting role in American culture. 1. They're often included in children's lunchboxes for school. 2. Many offices provide fruit as a healthy snack option for employees. 3. Fruit trays are common at parties and gatherings. 4. There's a growing trend of fruit-based snacks that aren't actually made of fruit, but are fruit-flavored candies. 5. Farmers markets where people buy fresh local fruit are popular in many American cities. Fruit snacks are a delicious and healthy part of American snacking culture. Whether you prefer fresh fruit, dried fruit, or frozen fruit treats, there are so many ways to enjoy the sweet flavors of fruit as a snack. Remember, eating fruit is not only tasty but also good for your health. It's a great way to get important vitamins and minerals while enjoying a sweet treat. I hope this overview has given you some ideas for healthy snacks to try. Learning about food is a fun way to improve your English and understand more about life in the USA. Keep practicing your English, and don't forget to try some of these yummy fruit snacks if you have the chance. Until next time, this is Sophia from English with Sophia, saying goodbye and happy snacking.